I see you. You love your kitty. Whoa, he's in his chair. Why does that always scare you? Whoa, he moved again. Oh. The more he moves in his chair, the more scared she gets. Oh, he's back. Oh, punch your kitty. Why are you sniffing me? Go eat your food. You're not eating much. That means you caught a lot of shit last night. You got a lot of frickin' animals last night. Mice and crawdads and frickin' salamanders. You eat everything. Whoa, what's out there? What is out there? That's why I got night vision ordered right there so I can see what she sees. There's always something out there. It's in the house. What's got you so nervous? Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, that kitty's gonna get you. You know he's gonna get you. You're just all full and relaxed now, aren't you, baby? A nice, sweet, innocent little kitty. What could possibly go wrong? Psycho coyote. Whoa, she's so vicious.